Hi everyone. So when you're thinking about immigrating to the US, maybe you think that your case is super simple, and then you're wondering if you need to hire a immigration lawyer. Elora, what do you say? I have a super simple case. Do I have to hire you?
So what we always say is things are very simple until they become complicated, right? And it's always, our motto here is always best to do it the right way the first time around, because sometimes to fix a mistake, not only it's gonna cost you sometimes more, financial means, but it's also gonna cost you more anxiety, more time, less of a benefit that you could have had otherwise. So regardless of how simple a case is, immigration law itself, it's very complex. So sometimes just checking the wrong box, for example, in a form, may cost you some explaining to do later down the road. So the other benefit that we have as attorneys, and we love to be able to provide these for clients, is to be able to attend interviews with them. So we're there with the client, we're able to take notes and see exactly what is going on at an interview. And let's say there's something that goes on that is completely off the norm. We have the possibility right there and then, for example, to ask for a supervisor, and sometimes you just let them know what happens, and we can even follow up with an email, for example. And it's things that it's definitely an added on benefit.
And of course, the client there at the interview, for example, he's going to be more, nervous or anxious about, everything that's going on. So maybe they won't even know how to tell you what went on if you're not there.
Absolutely. We see that all the time. It's and that's in general, right? When you're under some sort of duress, some sort of pressure, and you're nervous, your memory is not going to be all there. So sometimes we ask, but what happened? And the client is unable to relate. So if the client comes to us, for example, that's an interesting point, if they come to us with an issue, a lot of times it takes me a long time to realize what that issue is, unless they have, of course, already some decision or something that we're able to read and see what happened. But even then, you're basically going off the testimony that the client gave during the interview. So it's very beneficial for the client to have the attorney present. Because again, we're there taking notes, and obviously, it is an added on protection, I like to say, for the clients to have an attorney present.
For any other questions regarding whether or not to hire an attorney, get in touch with the office.